Sermon's putting together a good clear 25. So Crocker, bottom of the screen, gets shaded by Charvich and Sermonov. Right now, Michael Phelps is thinking to himself, I'm in a great position for tomorrow. Take it off him, didn't he? He could have, if Garbage could come in and done what he did in the heat, which was a 57.6, would have sent a clearer message to the Nats that he's not a bit disappointed with that. But then all was good enough to get
Você tá tonta? Opa, opa, opa!
was able to get in there, but I thought Garbage would come out and come in. Well, it's still a good time. You're a bit late for, but Phelps has just been through a sermon in the 200 IM, and it's a great story for Australia here because Andrew Lauderstein, at time, that Australian record is really holding up very, very well after the second semi-final. So, Charvich, 50.92. Just over Ian Crocker there. So, Crocker's second, Sermonov. Let's have a look what it all means after the two semi-finals. As we check our finalists, Charvich will be the fastest from Serbia. He's put together a couple of very good races. He sets his race up in the first few
Oi?
minutes.
Você tá tonta, tá? Você tá tonta? Opa! Opa!
Information here after the second semi-final of the 200 butterfly. Charvich, who lives in the United States. There we have it. Charvich, Phelps and Lauderstein. What a great story for Lauderstein. The Phelps story continues. He's with Gavin.